Now theorem 8.3. In theorem 8.3, here given each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal. Then it is a parallelogram. Here let ABCD is a quadrilateral and here opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides AB equal to DC, CD and BC equal to DA. These two or this pair of opposite sides are equal. Now we have to prove that what ABCD is a parallelogram. Now we prove this one theorem. In the AC, if we join AC, then this parallelogram divide into two triangle. Here if we join AC, then ABC and CDE, these two triangle will form. Now in these two triangle ABC and CDA, in these two triangle, here AB equal to DC and BC equal to DA. And AC is the common side. Here AB equal to DC, why? Because given. BC equal to DA, why? Because it is also given. And AC is the common side. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by what criteria? Side, side, side. Side, side, side. These two triangles are congruent. Now, if these two triangles congruent, then angle BAC equal to angle CDA by what? CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Since these two triangles are congruent, therefore these two angles are corresponding part. And BCA equal to DAC. This one also CPCT. But these two, this pair also alternate anterior angle and this pair also alternate anterior angle. Therefore, if this pair alternate anterior angle, then AB parallel to DC and AC is the transversal. And if this pair is alternate anterior angle, then BC parallel to DA and AC is the transversal. Therefore, AB parallel to DC and BC parallel to DA. Since opposite sides are parallel, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, since they are alternate anterior angle and AB parallel to DC and the BC parallel to DAD, since opposite sides are parallel, therefore ABCD is a parallelogram. Next, theorem 8.4. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Here given ABCD is a parallelogram, we have to prove that opposite angles are equal. Let ABCD is a parallelogram in given portion. To prove, angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. Why? Because A and C are opposite angle, B and D are opposite angle. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram, and if it is parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. That means AB parallel to DC and BC parallel to AD. If AB parallel to DC and AD is the transversal, AB parallel to DC and AD is the transversal, then this one angle and this one angle sum is equal to how much? 180 degree. Why? Because sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram are equal. That's why, sum of adjacent angle of a parallelogram is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, here this one parallel to this and this is the transversal, then this one angle plus this one angle is equal to 180 degree. Why? These two are adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Here A plus D is equal to 180 degree and D plus C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, from 1 into this one 180, this one 180 means right hand sides are equal. Therefore, left hand side must be equal. Therefore, angle A plus angle D equal to angle D plus angle C. Here D cancel, then angle A equal to angle C. Similarly, we can show that angle B equal to angle D. Hence, angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. This way we can prove if ABCD is a parallelogram, then their opposite angles are equal, means angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D.